Okay, question 2A. I've got W kilograms of wheat, get rid of 2/3 of it, divide the remainder between Harry and Hugo, and try and work out how much Hugo gets paid. So we can draw it out. I tend to find diagrams help. So we've got W kilograms of wheat, and we know that 2/3 of it get rid of. Who knows why? We've got 1/3 left here. Now, of that, we divide this remainder between Harry and Hugo, so Harry gets 1 for every 3 Hugo gets, which means Harry gets 1/4 and Hugo gets 3/4. Okay, so ratio 1 to 3. We've got a total of 4 3/4 and 1. Whoops. Sorry, again. I'll get used to it soon. 1/4 and 3/4. So you've got 1 out of 4 and 3 out of 4. Okay, so if each pays me P pounds per kilo, how much does Hugo pay me? So Hugo gets 3/4 of, remember the maths for times, or for of is times, of 1/3 of W kilograms, which is, you can cross out, W over 4 kg. So Hugo pays this P for every kilogram, he pays PW over 4. Okay, there's our first answer. Now, part B, similar sort of problem. This time about flour, not wheat, and we've got Jake, Jill, and Jack. Again, let's draw it out. And we know that 5% is off. So that's 5% gets discarded, and the remainder are in the ratio 4 to 7 to 8. I'll try and get it on the screen this time. We add those up, that's 8, 15, 19. So it's 4/19, 7/19, and 8/19. What we can try and do is work out what that represents. So we've got 95% left here. Now, what we're going to try and do is check to see whether 95 is linked with this number 19. 95 is, as it turns out, 19 times what? 5. Okay, so in the percentages, if it's 4 to 7 to 8, we can multiply each of these. So we've got Jack, instead of getting 4, gets 4 times 5, he gets 20%. Jill gets 5 times 7, which is 35%, and Jake gets 5 times 8, which is 40%. Let's just check those add up. 40 plus 35 is 75, 95, 100. Right. So we've got part of the way there. Jill, so let's go back to the basics. Try and rearrange this. Excuse me. very basically, Jake's profit is his in minus his out. So what he gets coming in minus what he spends. Now, they each pay W pounds per kilo. So out is, and we know this is all F kilos. We have Jake has 20% of F kilos, and he's going to pay W pounds for each of those. Okay, which is cancel those out, which is FW over 5. In terms of what he spends, so the money that comes in, we know that he's got how many kilos of flour does he get? Well, he's got this fraction, F over 5, plus the amount he gets from Jill, which is Y. And he sells this for Z pence per 100 grams. Now, this is that times 1,000 grams. Okay, so times Z per 100. You should see we can cancel some of these out. You get 10g times F over 5, which is 2FG, plus, sorry, there's the grams, I'm going mad, 2F plus 10Y all times Z. If you want to multiply it all out, 2FZ plus 10YZ. Okay, just run through that again. So the amount that he gets coming in is the amount of flour he had, so a fifth of the flour in kilos, plus the amount he gets from Jill, and then we're working out how much per gram he gets. So the total is 2FZ plus 10YZ minus FW over 5. All seems rather messy, but that is the answer. Okay.